Nicholas Karanja. Wine. Benjamin Mwaura. Benjamin. Stephen Ooko. James Ochieng. James Ochieng.
Sasa natoa roho yangu iende kukombo.
I can see a swollen hand there, Your Honor, and all of them actually need medical attention. And his chest was stamped on, so all of them need medical attention. I had already indicated they were manhandled, they were dragged on the street, they were kicked. They need medical attention now.
Nobody can argue against the right under Article 37 to rightful. Kenyans have a right to demonstrate, to picket, to petition whoever in a peaceful manner, Your Honor.
I will review the cash bill to 1,000, each one of you. For the respondents, you'll be reminded that you'll be required to attend court as and when you're required to do so.